There, Mimi. And I was thinking it should be something. Oh, there's a nice bird. What is it? I must be in my bed when she started that screaming. Hey. Hey there. You want to try it again? You gonna be okay? Oh, I'm sorry. Can you only take her? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. I know. Maybe she needs a little more nurse.